Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a simple glam for prom. I just feel like I wanted to do a little something different. For my first, I'm going to be doing two parts for a prom tutorial. I wanted to first do the soft glam, and my next one I could do a smoky eye for you guys. But again, go down in the comments below and let me know if there's a specific color or any smoky eye you want me to try to do. I'll definitely do it for you guys. But with this one, we're gonna stick to in this video. So anyways, if you wanna see how to get this very simple yet really nice glam look, then just please keep on watching. Okay, for starters, I'm gonna be priming my face with the 3 primers I use, except this is not the Wet n Wild. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Prep again. And so yeah, these are the 3 that I'm gonna be doing. Okay, for foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Porcelain. So it looks like that. And I'm going to be pumping a couple pumps on the back of my hand. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this all over my face. Okay, and for primer, I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm in this shade Fair, and then I'm also going to be going into the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm in this shade Porcelain. And to contour, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee, so I'm using that. And then I'm going back in with Porcelain to put some concealer in these areas. And yes, I do put a lot because in my other videos, like I've said, I am just a really full coverage kind of girl. So I'm going to be doing that. You do not have to put this much, but for me, I am. So I'm going to go ahead and blend all this in. Okay, and I also went into this LA Girl Pro Contouring Cream little kit, and I was using the lighter shade to brighten up just a little bit. So anyways, to set the under eyes, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Banana Yellow Powder, and I'm just going to put this under my eyes, and then I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Airspun. Okay, when I do the Airspun, I'm just going to tap the powder all over my face with my beauty blender to really make sure it's all nice and set, since we do have a lot of cream going on. Okay, and to bronze my face, I'm using the Essence Sun Matte, or the Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder, and it looks like that for lighter skin. And I'm going to be going in with my R2 brush, and I'm going to first dab this all over where the contour was. Okay, and to contour, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe R10 brush, and I'm going to contour with my Ofra's Versatile Matte Bronzer. Yeah, that's just the name of it. I'm going to get a little bit And just put this right under the cheekbones. Okay, and to contour my nose, I'm using the same Ofra's powder, and I'm just going to contour real quick. Okay, and then I want to go ahead and brighten up just a little bit more under my eyes using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow, and I want to go over my nose just a bit to really blend that contour out. And I want to brighten up some of the other spots that we did the highlight. For highlight, I want to go in with the Anastasia's Glow Kit in Sugar, and I'm going to be using Marshmallow and Butterscotch, which are those two right there. And then I'm going to go on top of that with the Ofra's NikkiTutorials Glazed Donut on top of that. So dipping into Marshmallow and Butterscotch first. I just want to put that mainly all over. And also, if you guys don't want this much highlight, you don't need to, but trust me, with this look, it's going to be perfect. It's going to be amazing. I'm going to go in with the next Tame&Frame and Espresso, and then I'm going to go on top and use a brow gel. I'm going to be using the Chella, and it's going to be the clear gel. So now we're going to just go into the eyeshadow palettes, and well, palette. I'm going to go in with the ColourPop, and it's the double N. Yeah, I'm just going to go in with this ColourPop palette. I can't say the name, so it's that one. And I don't know the colors, which order it goes in, so I'm just going to show you guys. Even though my eyes are primed with the concealer and stuff like that, I just want to go in and use the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot, and I just really want my eyes to be a really good full coverage because of how simple we are doing this. I'm going to be setting it with that shade right there. With the same brush, I'm going to go in those two colors and just throw that in the crease. Okay, and so now I want to try going in with that shade right there just to give it a bit of a light brown look. Okay, and for my lid, I'm gonna first go into that shade right there. Actually, it's a little bit darker than what I wanted. So because of that, I'm first gonna go in with this shade now on top of it. I'm gonna go in with that shade right there and put that over top and see. I want to just go in with Marshmallow and Butterscotch again for the brow and highlight, and same for the inner corner. And I want to go in with Butterscotch only and put this over the lid. And now I want to go in with Marshmallow. Okay, I'm gonna just go in with my Morphe E18 brush, and going back in with that palette, I'm gonna go in with all 3 of those just for under the lash line. For the waterline, I'm just gonna go in with a brown liner, and I'm actually gonna do this for tight lining as well. And for liner, I'm gonna go in with my Stilla, and I'm just going to do a little wing. Okay, and for mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Benefits Bad Gal Bang. Okay, and for lips, I'm gonna line my lips with the Wet n Wild lip liner in Berry Red, so looks like that. And I'm debating if I want to go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Amsterdam or the SmashBox in Legendary. So I'm probably gonna first go in with Legendary, and then we'll see with that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my face with some Fix Plus. Okay guys, so that is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I just think it's fun, you know, to go outside the box a little bit. I mean, I'm not dissing on anyone who wants to do a smoky eye, but I feel like, you know, we definitely cannot forget the ones who just don't feel comfortable enough to wear the smoky eye, or is just, you know, want to do something a little different. So I feel like you can never go wrong with this look. It can be for anything, you know, because you can definitely wear it to a really fancy gathering, or, you know, just something casual, simple. But I just feel like this will definitely go with any dress you guys pick, any hairstyle. I just really think it's fun to do a little less sometimes, you know, less is more. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you want me to do a smoky eye, which I will, this is, you know, only part 1, but definitely put down in the comments below if there's any specific color or things like that. Just let me know, but definitely give this video a thumbs up, and then please subscribe. So with all of that being said, I love you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.